Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a fun and effective way to learn English through movies. Not only do films entertain us, but they also help us improve our language skills. I'll be recommending 5 movies that are perfect for English learners, along with key phrases, vocabulary, and cultural insights. First up is Forrest Gump. This film features the iconic line, "Life is like a box of chocolates." It's a simple yet profound statement that's great for beginners. The language used in this movie is straightforward, making it accessible for learners. Plus, it offers a glimpse into various aspects of American history and culture.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Those must be comfortable shoes. I bet you could walk all day in shoes like that and not feel a thing. I wish I had shoes like that.
My feet hurt.
Mom always said there's an awful lot you could tell about a person by their shoes. Where they going? Where they been?
Next, we have The Pursuit of Happiness. One of the memorable quotes is, "Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something." This movie is filled with motivational language, perfect for discussing dreams and aspirations. It also explores themes of perseverance and the American dream.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
The third movie is Finding Nemo. A key phrase from this film is, "Just keep swimming." This phrase conveys a positive attitude. The vocabulary related to family and marine life is both fun and educational, making it a great choice for learners.
Don't give up! Keep swimming! Just keep swimming! That's it!
It's working!
Just keep swimming! Keep swimming!
Come on, Dad!
You're doing great, son!
That's my dad!
Come on, let's get to the bottom! Keep swimming!
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Almost there! Keep swimming!
Fourth on our list is The Social Network. A famous line from the movie is, "You don't get to 500 million friends without making a few enemies." This film uses a lot of technology and business-related vocabulary, making it ideal for those interested in these fields. It also discusses the impact of social media on society.
Mark! Mark!
He's wired in.
Sorry?
He's wired in.
Is he?
Yes.
How about now? You still wired in?
Full security.
You issued 24 million new shares of stock. You were told that if new investors came along... How much were your shares diluted? How much were his?
You signed the papers.
You set me up.
You're gonna blame me because you were the business head of the company and you made a bad business deal with your own company?
This is gonna be like I'm not a part of Facebook.
It won't be like you're not a part of Facebook. You're not a part of Facebook.
My name's on the masthead.
You might want to check again.
It's because I froze the account?
You think we were gonna let you parade around in your ridiculous suits pretending you were running this company?
Sorry! My Prada's at the cleaners! Along with my hoodie and my fuck you flip-flops, you pretentious douchebag!
Security's here. You'll be leaving now?
I'm not signing those papers.
We will get the signature.
Tell me this isn't about me getting into the Phoenix. You did it. I knew you did it. You planted that story about the chicken.
I didn't plant the story about the chicken. What's he talking
You
about?
had me accused of animal cruelty.
Seriously, what the hell's the chicken?
And I'll bet what you hated the most is that they identified me as a co-founder of Facebook. Which I am. You better lawyer up, asshole. Because I'm not coming back for 30%. I'm coming back for everything. Get him out of here. It's okay, I'm going.
Finally, we have Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. One of the notable quotes is, "It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live." This movie features a mix of magical terms and everyday English, making it suitable for learners. It also showcases British culture and the importance of friendship and bravery.
This mirror gives us neither knowledge or truth. Men have wasted away in front of it, even gone mad. That is why tomorrow it will be moved to a new home. And I must ask you not to go looking for it again. It does not do to dwell on dreams, Harry.
To wrap up, I encourage you to watch these movies with English subtitles. Which of these 5 movies is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. The one mentioned the most will get a shout out in our next video. Thanks for watching.